Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF US dollar Swiss franc for 25th March 2021. So, this analysis is for 25th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for the next day. So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so let's jump to the chart then. So we can see that the current market prices or the CMP is 0.9353. This is the current market price, and we all know that officially the party is over, no more uptrend, and right now market is in range. It's not it. Okay, so you can see I have also drawn two lines here. This is the resistance and this is the support. As market is in a range right now, so these two levels are pretty important. Okay, and resistance is 0.9373 and support is at 0.9228. Okay, and as we all know, what do we need to do in a range bound market? Okay, when the price will be near the resistance, and if we see some price rejection from below, from above like this, or candlestick patterns like this, okay, then we can short the market. And if market crosses the level, okay, and if market crosses the level comfortably, then we need to wait for 2-3 hours, 4 hours and just observe the price. If we see that market is trading comfortably, doing great, okay, then it will be a clear indication that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, once the resistance become the support, then we can go ahead and place the buy order just above this. Okay, but right now we can see that, okay, let me show you, let me zoom in. Okay, it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, right now you can see that there is some price rejection from above. Okay, this candle. Okay, but the next candle is like a spinning top. Okay, it's generally spinning top suggests that there is an indication going on in the market. Okay, neither bulls nor the bears are dominating. There is a tug of war kind of a situation. Okay, so whatever, the previous candle is good, huh? So let's wait. Okay, if you get clear indication after this candle that market is about to reverse, yes, you can short the market. It's plain and simple. And on the other hand, if you miss the opportunity to short the market, then wait for the market to come down to the support level. Okay, so when market will be in support level, again you just need to observe the price. Okay, once it hit the support level, then just observe the price. If you see that price is about to reverse, okay, and how will you get the confirmation? The confirmation can be in the form of a hammer kind of a pattern, okay, or a big green candle like this, or a bullish engulfing pattern, Marubozu, okay, or any indicator of your own choice. Okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, price is not going down further, this level is a valid support for the market, then you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, I'll not recommend to short the market because market was in strong uptrend. Okay, so this is the level. So right now you can short the market once you get the correct opportunity. Already we have received this candle price rejection from below, from above, shooting star pattern. Okay, so let's wait for the next confirmation. uh, if you see here, you can see that market is already in overbought zone. So right now things are pretty good. Okay, so let's wait for another confirmation. Once we get a confirmation in the form of a red candle or something like that, then we can short the market right away. Okay, so this is it. This is the analysis for USD CHF. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All the best and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.